If you're applying lip balm all day and your lips still feel dry, this is why. It's not your lips, it's the pattern. I'm Janice Story. I'm a nurse and I see this all the time. Most people think my lips are dry. I should apply something. But what's actually happening is more subtle. You notice your lips, there's a small moment of discomfort. And instead of just letting it pass, you fix it. And that's the loop. We fill it, we fix it, we have relief, and we repeat. And the more you repeat it, the stronger it becomes. Quick question. How often do you notice your lips and immediately reach for something? Your body isn't broken. Your nervous system is just trying to regulate. When something feels off even slightly, your brain looks for relief. And lip balm becomes the fastest option. So over time, it feels like you need it. But what you're actually experiencing is a learned response. So here's how to start breaking it. Notice the urge, pause for 30 seconds, let your lips exist. That pause, that's where the pattern starts to break. You don't need more product, you need more trust. If you're not sure where you are in this pattern, take the lip quiz. It'll guide you based on what your lips actually need. And if you're ready to stop reapplying all day, the lip ritual was designed exactly for this.